Here's the before, and here's the after. I'm going to show you the quick version of how I made some of my custom bird perch branches. After I find and clean either the branches or roots I use, I'll cut them where I think the base would go. Might take some more adjusting and cutting to get it right, but then I move on to sanding them with flat discs and use a Dremel tool for the small details. I'll fill in the inner cavities with a 2-part epoxy putty that dries ultra hard and makes the whole piece more durable and better to mount to. For the more basic mounts, I'll line them up just right and use some heavy duty screws to the backside. Not as easy as it looks to get just right, but here's how it turns out. I use this raw timber eco-friendly sealant if I want to make the color completely natural. For the more custom bases, there's a number of ways it can go. But for this example, I just make a lot of precise cuts and router the edges, and use wood glue and clamps to fuse the pieces together. I might use a torch to add a little bit more character. And I use this other sealant called Smart Biohemp if I want to add a staining effect, and it's also non-toxic, eco-friendly. Another base style is to use silicone molds along with a 2-part plastic mixture that cures in just 10 minutes into a very durable plastic. I doubled up the layers to give it a more unique and stylish look. I also add some more moss to fill in the natural cavities and give it some more character. The more decorative bases come with these high quality steel brackets in the back that just slide right into each other and remain hidden from sight, keeping the base flush against the wall. And here's some more examples of what you can do with them and where you can put them, no matter where you live. There's also the possibility of using them to hang lights or plants from as well, or whatever you can think of really. Hope you enjoyed another CMO Designs original. Be sure to stay tuned if you want to see the full version. There's a ton of steps I left out here. Also be sure to check out my website to buy one or have a new one custom made, and also see the many other one-of-a-kind pieces I got for sale. Alright y'all, I'm on to the next one. Hope you are too. See you next time. Like, follow, share. Yeah, what he said.